morning, students. You're welcome to today's lesson. Today we'll still continue with circle geometry, and we're looking at the subtopic angles in the same segment and cyclic quadrilaterals. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to state the following theorems: angles in the same segment and also opposite angles in cyclic quadrilaterals. Then apply the above theorems to solve questions in circle geometry, and also to recall the theorems learned in the lesson. And for this first theorem, we'll be looking at angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Now, if we have a circle, center O. Now, what this theorem is saying? Now, don't forget that in the last class, we made mention of segments. Now, we can have this as a chord. A chord is a line that divides the circle into two parts. That is the minor segment and the major segment. Now, when you have this, now with this we can form angles in the same segment. Now, these two angles, they are in the same segment. Now, if this is angle A and this is angle B. Now, what this theorem is telling us is that these two angles in the same segment shows that our angle A is equal to angle B. Now, similarly, we can also have it in this direction. Now, this angle is the same thing as this angle. Now, let's call this angle C, and let's call this angle D. Now, if you look at C and D, they are in the minor segment. So, angle C is equal to angle D. That's what the first theorem is telling us. Now, in the second theorem, the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilaterals are supplementary. If we have this circle, center O. Now, for a cyclic quadrilateral, we are looking at a quadrilateral that is inscribed inside a circle. Now, this is a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. That's why it's called cyclic quadrilateral. Now, what this theorem is telling us, that if you have, let's call this angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D, as long as the four vertices of the quadrilateral are touching the circle, this implies that our angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, our angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. That's what cyclic quadrilateral is telling us about the angles. Now, there is a corollary to this theorem. That is the exterior angle. Now, if we produce the line, this line, if we produce this line outward, now the angle here, angle E, is called the exterior angle. Now, this exterior angle here is equal to the opposite interior angle. That is, this angle E is equal to the angle A. That's what the corollary is telling us. That is, the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle. So, with the corollary, we can say angle A is equal to angle E. So, with these are the two theorems that we're going to consider. So, when we get back to Google Classroom, we're going to take more examples in solving this. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.